So you want to sing. That's fantastic because I believe if you can walk, you can dance, and if you can talk, you can sing. If you have done no formal singing training or professional singing, this first singing module will be perfect for you. Even if you have had some experience with singing, whether it be amateur or professional, I strongly recommend starting with this first beginner module so that your technique is right from the very start, the way that we can lay a good foundation for your continued vocal and singing progress. You can't build a fantastic structure on a poor or weak foundation, and this goes for singing as well. After completing the 6 beginner modules, your voice will feel stronger. You'll be able to sing longer and have more stamina. You'll also be able to sing higher and lower, have more confidence and control over your voice, have better breath control and support, and understanding how to transition between the true voice and falsetto voice. You would have acquired some basic stage presentation and microphone techniques, and you'll be able to sing some beginner to intermediate songs to a very good level.